Actually, my question was, we know that it's not permissible to fast only on Friday. Now, if there is a day such as the day of Arafat and it falls on Friday, can we fast only on that day, Sheikh? Jazakallah khairan.
It's an issue of dispute, and the most authentic opinion that we can isolate Friday when we're fasting it for a legitimate reason. Meaning, what's the ruling on voluntary fasting Friday because I want to fast Friday? Not permissible. What's the ruling on specifically wanting to fast Friday because it is Friday, the best day of the week? Not permissible. What's the ruling on fasting alternate days in the fasting of Dawood? So I'll fast Friday, skip Saturday, I'll fast Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, then I will fast Saturday alone. Usually this is not permissible, but because there is a legitimate reason, which is following the sunnah in the fasting of Dawood, that's fine. Likewise, if I'm fasting Arafat alone because of the 2 years expiation of the sins, or fasting Ashura on a Friday alone because it expiates the sins of 1 year, that is permissible, inshallah.